Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing from Beautyforever Hair. This is their 18-inch Malaysian curly wig. So also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the unit that I'm going to be installing today is from Beautyforever Hair on Amazon. This is their 18-inch Malaysian curly wig. I got the wig in 18 inches, and along with the wig inside of the box, I got some eyelashes, a pair of stocking cap, and a hair care instruction with all the hair types from Beautyforever Hair. So onto the cap construction of this wig. This unit came pre-plucked. It is a 150% density unit. It has a natural hairline. It also has a 13 by 6 deep parting space. It has 2 combs to the sides, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps as well. So onto the styling part, I'm using my black opal foundation in Carob to perfect the knot on this unit since I'm styling it straight out of the box. Now I'm using my Ghost Bond classic glue, and I'm just going to be using 2 layers of this glue today. So I already did an install video on how I normally install my curly wigs using my Ghost Bond classic glue. So I'll put the link in my description bar down below and in the eye above this video. So after the glue is dry, I'm just pushing my lace into the glue. Then I'm going to blow dry that for a while, and after I finish blow drying it, I'm going to tie down my hair for about half an hour to an hour. So now I decided to go with a middle part, so I'm just plucking minimal amount of hair from the parting space. After that, I'm going in to create my baby hair. So to lay my baby hair, I'm going in with my scissor, and I'm going to use my Got To Be Blast Free Spray to lay my baby hair. This is just what I felt like using today. I didn't feel like using any mousse or any sort of glue, so I just went ahead to just use my free spray, and it worked pretty well for me. I'm going with the minimalistic baby hair kind of look today, so I'm just working on laying my baby hair just using the Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So all the information for this unit will be listed in my description bar down below, so you can go over to Amazon and purchase this unit from Beautyforever Hair Company. There will be a coupon code listed also in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing this unit, so you can go right ahead. This unit is bomb. Like, Beautyforever Malaysian curly wig is what is trending, what is popping, so you need one in your life, sis. You need to go out and get yourself a Malaysian curly unit from Beautyforever Hair. Like, you wouldn't be disappointed. So I'm still creating my baby hair with my free spray until I am satisfied with how everything is laid. After that, I'm just going ahead to tie down my hair again for like about an hour around this time. So to define the curls on my unit, I'm going to be using my water and conditioner mixture, and then I'm going to be using my denim brush to brush everything out. And I also went in with my mousse. So this is the end result. I am loving how everything came together and the lace is melted. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do. God bless.